Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 4 power x times 8 power x equal to 36. Now this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 whole power x times this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power x equal to 36. Now we are going to apply this express identity that a power m power n equal to a power m times n. This express identity we are going to apply here and here. 2 power 2x times 2 power 3x equal to 36. Now we are going to apply other express identity that a power m times a power n equal to a power m plus n. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get 2 power 2x plus 3x equal to 36. Now 2 power 2x plus 3x is 5x equal to 36. Now we are going to take a log on both sides. Log 2 power 5x equal to log 36. Now we are going to apply log power formula so that this 5x comes here. So the log power formula here is log m power n equal to n log m. This log power formula we are going to apply here. So 5x log 2 equal to log 36. 36 can be written as 4 times of 9. So 5x log 2 equal to log 4 times 9. Now 5x log 2 equal to log 4 times 9. Now we are going to apply this log product formula, that is log AB equal to log A plus log B. This log product formula we are going to apply here. So 5x log 2 equal to log 4 plus log 9. Now we are going to divide by log 2 on both sides. Log 2 here, log 2 here. Now this log 2 cancels this log 2. So we have 5x equal to log 4 plus log 9 by log 2. Now this can be written as 5x equal to log 2 power 2 plus this 9 can be written as log 3 power 2 by log 2. Now we are going to apply log power formula here that we previously applied. So this power comes here. So 5x equal to 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3 whole divided by log 2. So this can be written as 5x equal to 2 log 2 by log 2 plus 2 log 3 by log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this log 2. So we have 5x equal to 2 plus 2 log 3 log 2. Now we are going to apply this log formula, that is log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to apply here. So 5x equal to 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2. Now we are going to divide by 5 on both sides. So 5 here. Now this 5 cancels this. So I have x equal to 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2 whole divided by 5. This is the x value. Now we are going to verify this x value. Verify with the equation that 4 power x times 8 power x equal to 36. Now x here is 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2 whole divided by 5. Now 4 power x times 8 power x equal to 36. Now we know that this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 whole power x times this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power x equal to 36. Now this can be written as 2 power 2x times 2 power 3x equal to 36. Now according to this formula, that is a power m times a power n equal to a power m plus n. This formula we are going to apply here. So 2 power 2x plus 3x equal to 36. Now 2 power 5x equal to 36. This we are going to verify. So now we are going to apply this x here. So 2 power 5 times this 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2 by 5 equal to 36. Now this 5 cancels this. So we have 2 power 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2 equal to 36. Now we are going to apply this formula, that is a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. So we'll get 2 power 2 times 2 power 2 log 3 base 2 equal to 36. Now as per this log power formula, this comes in the power 2. So 2 power 2 times 2 power log 3 power 2 equal to 36. Now 2 power 2 is 4 times 2 power log this 3 power 2 can be written as 9 base 2 equal to 36. Now we are going to apply this log formula, that is a power log b base a equal to b. So 4 times of 9 equal to 36. So 4 times 9 is 36 equal to 36. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.